Alright guys, bike reveal. CRF 250X 2004. I traded my snowmobile for it. Has CMP forks and shock. Has a brand new MX33 back tire, a Dr. D pipe. It doesn't have any mods done. I think I might do the airbox mod. I'm not sure yet. I gotta read up a little more. It has the headlight, nice front tire. It has a good brake rotor. Nice bike. Update on the rest of the garage. It's my 400 or my dad's 400DX, my brother's XLT Blaster, 98 Polaris 600 XC600. The RM125 is blown up. The piston is toast. Destroyed that in the last video. But I figured it's snowing right now, like snow rain. I'll give it a quick rip real quick on the new bike. I was gonna go ride, but literally as soon as I started it up, it started raining. So that's fucking not cool. Let's ride this real quick. Hopefully this is an alright angle. I don't really know where it's facing just quite yet. I want to have it down, but I also want to have it up. Michigan weather, man.